ప్రియా గారు, హాయ్
Hello,
అండి.
sir. Hi.
కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్. ఆల్రెడీ తమిళ్లో రిలీజ్ అయింది. ఇప్పుడు 23rd తెలుగులో కూడా రిలీజ్ కాబోతుంది కాబట్టి.
Thank you. Thank you.
యాక్చువల్ ఏంటంటే మీది ఇది వెంటనే నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ మూవీ అనుకుంటా. ఎందుకంటే ఇండియన్ టూ రావటం ఇప్పుడు ఇది. సో ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా ఏంటంటే శంకర్ గారు మూవీస్ చేయాలనుకుంటారు అందులో. మీకు కూడా మంచి వచ్చింది, మంచి సక్సెస్ అవుతుంది అనుకున్నాం. కానీ కొంత అది నిరాశపరిచింది. మీరు ఎలా ఫీల్ అయ్యారు ఆ సినిమా రిజల్ట్ పైన ఏంటి?
Everybody who's involved in a film, we all work with the intention and with the confidence that the movie will do good, right from the producer to the production assistant. So that is the intention, and if it doesn't connect with the audience, I think it's better we graciously accept that it didn't connect with the audience, and all of us are disappointed, and we can promise we would deliver a better product in future, or be careful with whatever we do in future.
పార్ట్ 3లో కూడా మీరు కనిపిస్తారా?
Yes, I'm there, sir. The film is shot already, and yes, as you saw in the trailer, the final sneak
Yes.
peek moment, it will be more on Kamal Hassan sir. The part 3 will be more on Kamal Hassan sir, and we will have a role to play in that.
అంటే 25th 2025 ఎర్లీ పాసిబుల్.
I don't know, sir. I'm not sure what the production has in mind. I'm sorry.
ఓకే.
డైరెక్టర్ గారు, హాయ్ సార్. హాయ్. నేను చూశాను, మూవీ చాలా బాగుంది. ద బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ స్కోర్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ సూపర్బ్. ద విజువల్స్, ఐ వాజ్ రియలీ సర్ప్రైజ్డ్ బై ద విజువల్స్. కంగ్రాట్స్. నాకు ఒక డౌట్ ఏంటంటే, ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు రివీల్ ఎనీథింగ్. ట్రైలర్లో అమ్మాయిల అరుపులు వినిపిస్తాయి కదా, ట్రైలర్లో ద గర్ల్ స్క్రీమ్స్, listening that hero goes inside. I'm not revealing anything. This is all in the trailer. But his character is out of opposite ga చేసినట్టు అనిపించింది ఆ బిట్. అతని క్యారెక్టర్కి
In which place?
when he went inside, girl screams వినగానే, బట్ అతని క్యారెక్టర్ ఈజ్ సెల్ఫిష్.
Yeah, she's saying it's not Arulniti's character to help others.
He's selfish, as in he's not selfish. But it doesn't mean that he has no humanity or anything. Somebody struggling and somebody screaming inside, it's basic humanity to go and help someone. So selfish, as in the Priya's character keeps telling he's selfish, but he does not show any selfishness in the film.
Before that, he'll be trying to do some evil thing for his own family member. I'm not revealing anything.
Yeah.
So after that, he's doing this for an unknown girl. So this is contrast, I found.
Yeah, we understand what you're saying, but as he said, it's just Debbie's perspective, and there is a backstory for Raghu's character as well. He has his own reasons to. Srini is declared that he's not going to survive, so he's like, why not? So that is his point of view, and especially when his sister is fighting for the property and all that. So they have their own reasons. Even in the pre-climax, he says, I'm not a bad person. So it's not that he's being great, he's just being a normal human.
సినిమా నెక్స్ట్ పార్ట్స్ 2027 ఆర్ లైక్ లాస్ట్లో చెప్తారు కదా, ఆర్ ఇంకా ముందే రిలీజ్ అవుతుందా?
No, 26 we'll have part 3.
ప్రియా గారు, హియర్.
Hi.
అండ్ మీరు ఈ ఫిల్మ్లో డెమాంటి కాలనీ 2లో డెబ్బీ రోల్ ప్లే చేశారు. సో విచ్ హ్యాస్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఎమోషన్స్. అంటే మీ ప్రీవియస్ క్యారెక్టర్స్తో పోల్చుకుంటే కూడా సో దీనికి చాలా వెయిటేజ్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది అండ్ చాలా కీలకమైన రోల్ ఈ ఫిలింలో. సో మీరు ఎలా, అంటే జ్ఞానముత్తు గారు మీకు ఫస్ట్ రోల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసినప్పుడు సో మీ రియాక్షన్ ఏంటి, అండ్ ఆన్సెట్స్కి వచ్చినప్పుడు మీ రియాక్షన్ ఏంటి?
I was genuinely excited, and I was very sure that no matter what, I'm not going to miss this offer. It's not every day that a female lead is offered this kind of prominent character to play in a commercial film with a hero who's the face of the franchise. And it's not everybody accepts to give that kind of space to the female lead. I'm very glad Ajay wrote that strong character, and Arul was gracious enough to, let the other star to play her part. That was actually very nice of them to, place me right and well in the script. And I'm very glad and lucky to having landed this project.
Ajay garu, which is the difficult part in writing stories like this or execution of these stories like this?
I would say writing is difficult because For thrillers, we have to like think from audience perspective. We have to think from the writer's perspective. So I'll have to sit in two chairs. I write one scene, then I have to go sit on the opposite side and see if this scene, okay, what are the questions I have. So this is more like playing a chess game. One player playing chess game, both the sides. So
Who will win, sir, most of the time?
writer only should win, sir. If writer wins, the movie will win, sir.
Good, sir. Sir, you raised the expectations from this movie. We are hearing the good response and huge numbers from Tamil industry. And what kind of care you taken for dubbing for this movie, for dialogues and everything?
So generally, we'll dub. See, for her, I think she will say she's done a lot of films, and I think easily for this film she would have dubbed 10, 12 days. 12 days. 12 days is a big time for heroines to dub, and she had to cancel her shoot and come for dubbing and dub. In that, just 3 days, she just gave only breathing effects alone. Only breathing.
Only my dead body goes back home. I was literally.
That is a very rare experience for any
No, it is a learning experience. I've not done that before.
rare experience.
Yeah, very rare. And he's a perfectionist. Like, even if we, reach up to 98%, he'll be like, yeah, okay, or one more panidlama. So you'll have to, gain up. Sometimes I'll be like, Ajay, let me just step out, get some air. Let me breathe and come back. So to keep panting through the process, and as he said, 3 days it was just breathing, screaming, and everything. So it is such a. I was very anxious how the Telugu dubbing is going to be. I was telling him next time I would like to do Telugu dubbing by my own. Let's take a little more time than Tamil and let's do it by ourselves. But the girl who has done for me, she has done a great job, and I'm very glad that she has matched my voice, and that works on me. So I'm just extending my gratitude to her as well here. But yes, to answer your question, I'm going to let Ajay answer that. But still, it was a very exhausting process for me, sir. I won't forgive him for that, though.
And selection of characters are also very different. Content-driven characters you are selecting. Not regular type of characters. What is your style of selection? What going through when you written hearing the story?
I try, sir. I try if I can do something different out of the. I'm not a very conventional heroine category. I don't fit into that. So I know my limitations, and I would like to challenge myself in my comfort zone. So if something interesting comes up, I'll try to give my 100% or even 200% at times and see if it works for me. And that's the best I can do from my end. Yeah, an actor has to bring something to the table. It's nothing like this is big, that is small. No. If you're a glamorous heroine, yeah, that's not an easy job. If you're bringing glamour to the table, you do it to the point. There are so many successful glamorous heroine. It's not an easy job. So I know what I bring to the table. So whatever offers that I get for what I can offer, so I pick my choices from that.
It's all our working, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
సురేష్ గారు ప్రీమియర్ సీజన్స్ నడుస్తుంది. ప్రీమియర్స్ అని ఏమన్నా ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నారా? అంటే
ప్రీమియర్స్ రేపు నుంచి ఆల్రెడీ మెయిన్ సిటీస్ అన్నీ కూడా ప్రీమియర్స్ ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నాం అండి.
ఓకే, టికెట్ రేట్స్ ఎంత ఉండబోతున్నాయి సార్?
టికెట్ రేట్స్ నార్మలే సార్. మల్టీప్లెక్స్ 200 యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్గా. మామూలుగా ఇక్కడ 295 ఎంతో నడుస్తుంది, కానీ ఈ మూవీకి మాత్రం 200 అంటే.
ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు టికెట్స్ రేట్స్ అనేవి కూడా ఒక హార్డిల్లా కనిపిస్తున్నాయి.
అంతే కదండి. కామన్ పీపుల్ అందరూ కూడా బర్డన్గా ఫీల్ అయ్యి ఈరోజు అది కూడా ఒక కారణమే. ఓటీటీలో చూడడానికి అది కూడా ఒక కారణమే.
అవును,
మన దిల్ రాజు గారు కూడా అంటున్నారు, మనం సినిమా మనమే ఇది చేసాం, దూరం చేసాం ఆడియన్స్ని.
దగ్గర చేసే ప్రయత్నాలు చేస్తున్నారు.
దగ్గర చేసే ప్రయత్నం ఇండస్ట్రీ అంతా కలిపి చేయాలి సార్, డెఫినెట్గా.
నెక్స్ట్ రిలీజ్ మీది కదా, మీరు ఆ ప్రయత్నాల్లో భాగంగా ఏమన్నా టికెట్ రేట్స్ని ఏమన్నా నామినల్గా పెట్టడం కానీ ఏమన్నా చేస్తాం?
అంటే టికెట్ రేట్స్ నామినల్గానే పెడతాం సార్, డెఫినెట్గా. నేనైతే దానికే కన్ఫామ్గా ఉంటా, ఎందుకంటే ఆ పెయిన్ అది తెలుసు. అంత టికెట్ రేట్ కొనుక్కొని వెళ్ళిన ఆడియన్కి ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్ ఇవన్నీ ఉంటాయి కదా, అవి మనం రీచ్ చేయలేనప్పుడు మనం మామూలుగా అదే మన నార్మల్ టికెట్ రేట్ అనుకోండి, ఎవరు అంతగా ఇది అవ్వరు. ఇప్పుడు ఇండస్ట్రీ అంతా కూడా బాగా ఈ స్లంలో ఉందండి యాక్చువల్గా.
థియేటర్స్కి ఇప్పుడు ఆడియన్స్ని తీసుకురావడమే బిగ్గెస్ట్
చాలా పెద్ద టాస్క్ అండి. మనం ఎంత ఇది చేసినా ఈరోజు ఫైనల్గా వచ్చేది కంటెంట్ వల్లే సార్. ఇప్పుడు లాస్ట్ వీక్ వచ్చిన మనకి కమిటీ కుర్రాలు కానీ ఆయి కానీ ఓన్లీ మనకి మౌత్ టాక్ వల్లే. మనం ఏదో మాస్ అవి ఇవి అని ఏవో కాంబినేషన్లు అని ఏదో ఒక ఇదిలో వెళ్తున్నారు కానీ
మీరు కాంట్రవర్సీలోకి వెళ్తున్నారు, మేము ఏం తీసుకెళ్లకుండా.
వెళ్ళకపోయినా సరే నేను ఒక డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటర్గా నేను మూవీస్ ఇవన్నీ చేశాను. నాకు తెలుసు జనాలు ఏంటి, నాకు టేస్ట్ అనేది ఉంటుంది జనరల్గా. నేను అది ఆలోచిస్తాను. ఇప్పుడు ఇండస్ట్రీ అంతా కూడా ఏంటంటే సార్, ఈ ఓటీటీ వీళ్ళ బౌండరీలోకి వెళ్ళిపోయింది ఇండస్ట్రీ. ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళ అయితేనే బిజినెస్. కానీ ఫైనల్గా మనం ఏంటంటే ఓటీటీ ఇప్పుడు అందరినీ మనం హెల్ప్ తీసుకోకుండా కంటెంట్ ఉంటే థియేటర్లో కొట్టి మనం హిట్ కొట్టి అప్పుడు కంటెంట్ వాళ్ళే వస్తారు, మనం వెళ్ళక్కర్లేదు.
ఓటీటీ మీద డిపెండ్ అవ్వకుండా ఓపెన్ గ్రౌండ్లో కనుక సక్సెస్ అవ్వగలిగితే
అంతే. నేను కంటెంట్ని మనం తీసుకోవాలి సార్. ఈరోజు
డిమోంటి కాలనీ 3కి ఏమైనా అడ్వాన్స్ ఇచ్చేస్తారా? ఆయన రెడీ అవుతున్నారు.
డెఫినెట్గా అది నాకే ఇవ్వాలి అజయ్ సార్.
Why do you think we are here?
ఎందుకంటే నేను
హీఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ ప్రొడ్యూసర్ కమ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ టు గివ్ అడ్వాన్స్ టు డిమోంటి కాలనీ 2 మేడం. దట్స్ వై ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్.
Why do you think Ajay is here, sir?
Ajay is more interested.
Ajay garu. Yeah. I'm Anjali from TFPC.
Hi.
So, hi Andy. First of all, congratulations because premiere చూసాము. very అంటే లైక్ స్కేరీ థింగ్. ఒక మ్యూజిక్తో కూడా భయపెట్టచ్చు. అంటే లైక్ హారర్ జానర్ మూవీస్కి మ్యూజిక్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో మ్యూజిక్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఎలాంటి అంటే జాగ్రత్తలు తీసుకున్నారు? అండ్ మీరు థియేటర్లో చూస్తున్నప్పుడు మీరు స్కేరీగా ఫీల్ అయిన సిచ్యువేషన్స్, ఎనీ సీన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్?
Not scary because I've seen the film almost 1,000 times now, easily. But when we first finished the edit, we thought, okay, it is nice, it is working. But then when I went to Sam, to the music director, I explained to him what has to be done there and there in the places. Then after he worked, he called me to his studio. So when I went to his studio and saw the movie with the background score, the very first time we all felt, okay, no, he's elevated the film to another level. So that feeling was there when I first saw the film with background score. In particular, I would say that one scene, that ritual scene where her character goes to the other world and comes back, the sequence before the title, that I think is a good cinematic experience. And that too, yesterday when I watched it in Vimal Theatre, I think that is the best version I've seen, because I have not seen such projection quality or sound quality anywhere in Chennai. I told Shashi sir also, it's an amazing theatre and the experience was really nice.
డన్. అండ్ డిమాంటీ కాలనీ 1కి ఫస్ట్ 1కి అండ్ సెకండ్ పార్ట్కి అసలు సంబంధం లేని 2 కథల్ని చూపించారు. సో డిమాంటీ కాలనీ 3 అలా ఇంకో కథ ఏదైనా యాడ్ చేస్తారా? ఎనీవన్ అంటే కొత్త క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఏమైనా ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చా?
No, there will be some new characters, but I think for the third part, we've already brought in all the characters. All the characters that are there in this part will continue in the third part.
అండ్ స్క్రీన్ ప్లే అయితే అదిరిపోయింది సార్, లిటరలీ చాలా బాగుంది.
Thank you so much.
ప్రియా గారు మీకు క్వశ్చన్.
Hi, Anjali.
హాయ్. ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ అయితే ఇర్రగా తీసేశారు, చాలా బాగుంది. సో మెనీ యాక్షన్ సీక్వెన్సెస్ ఆర్ దేర్. అండ్ చాలా వరకు మిమ్మల్ని అలా ఎత్తి పడేయడం లాంటివి కూడా చాలా జరిగాయి. సో ఏమైనా ఇంజరీ లాంటివి ఏమైనా జరిగాయా? హర్ట్ అయిన సిచ్యువేషన్స్ ఏమైనా?
Not actually. Sometimes one or two where the glass pieces, it happens. So nothing like an injury or anything. Where Arul breaks the glass and he steps into that particular sequence. I was standing right next to him and I wear a sleeveless through that portion. I didn't notice it while shooting. After getting back home, I saw my t-shirt, it was all stained with blood. And I was like, what happened? I didn't even realize the pain. There was so much of glass pieces pierced in my shoulder and back. But I wouldn't call it an injury or anything. But it was physically exhausting. The entire, the second half portion to shoot was physically exhausting. It's just, mostly it'll be just myself and Arul on screen. So we'll just have to run around, scream, looking at the green mat and everything. And even to dub the second half was pretty difficult.
Done, and congratulations to the whole team.
Thank you, Anjali. Very kind of you.
Thank you.
Ajay garu. Sir, this is Ravi from Film Jalsa.
Hi.
Hi sir, actually you look completely like soft character and dealing with these horrors and thrillers. What is your motto of writing a story of these kind of stories, and who is your inspiration for writing this kind of story?
First, I'm not soft character. back in my team, if you ask, they'll tell you I'm not soft character. See, motive is basically I like to write seat-edge thrillers. That is what I feel, because any writer, when they communicate they tell a story, you must actually captivate, you must hold the audience attention throughout. So that holding the attention is I kind of find it very important for any film. So writing itself will make it very tight. So that is the one part. And what was the other question you asked?
Who is your inspiration for
Inspiration. My inspiration, I would say, is director David Fincher. There's one director, David Fincher. He's a huge inspiration. Yeah.
And Demonte Colony 2, and you gave lead for 3. So did you plan how many series of this Demonte Colony in future?
2 more parts. For now, we have story till part 3 and part 4. Maybe God knows what is.
Right. Priya garu,
Hi.
you did a fantastic job in the movie, and we are completely thrilled with the character, what you have played, and in the climax with the bats around you. Might be a graphics, but also we can feel that aura, how you face that in front of you. And did Priya garu fear of devils and all or not?
First of all, thank you for your very kind compliments. I'm very, very glad to hear that. Am I afraid of ghost? I am scared of there might be ghost, but I don't believe. But I am scared. I don't believe in paranormal stuff. Ana bayam irukku enakku.
But congrats to whole team, and all the very best for your Demonte Colony 3.
Thank you, thank you.
హలో ప్రియ గారు,
Hi.
దిస్ ఈజ్ సంజయ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఇండియా గ్లిట్స్.
Hi Sanjay.
సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మీ యాక్టింగ్ అయితే చాలా బాగుంది.
Thank you.
అండ్ మేము కొన్ని సీన్స్ సినిమాలో చూస్తున్నప్పుడు మాకు గూస్ బంప్స్ వచ్చినాయి. సో అలా మీకు ఏమన్నా సీన్స్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు కానీ చూస్తున్నప్పుడు కానీ మీకు గూస్ బంప్స్ వచ్చాయా?
For me, I was thrilled to see Arul in this particular, where I get stuck in the mirror and he walks, right? I felt like, wow, he has just elevated that, and Sam has done a great job. While shooting, it was not shot together. I was just told that he's going to be there, and it was just me while I shot that particular portion. They shot Arul's portion on a different day. So to see it all put together and with the music, for the first time when I watched the film, I was like, wow, he has done a great job. No? Don't you think he outperformed everyone in that one scene? I really liked him in that scene.
సో కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ అండి.
Thank you so much.
அஜய் சார், நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா?
நல்லா இருக்கேன். நீங்கள் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
நல்லா இருக்கீங்க சார். தேங்க்யூ சார். கம்மிங் டு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பார்ட் அண்ட் செகண்ட் பார்ட், இன் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பார்ட் a Brahmin is reveals about the ghost, and coming to second part, one Tibetan actor you have taken. So what's the main reason about that, and what's your working experience with the Tibetan actor?
See, it was not, we didn't forcefully do that. See, in that first part, we wanted to have a small glimpse. We wanted to say, somebody has to say the future. So who will predict the future? Some astrologer has to predict the future. So that is why the boys go to the astrologer. He indirectly tells what is going to happen in the future, and he dies. So that was for place for logic. For this one, we have seen lot of horror films and lot of exorcism. We've seen rituals, Hinduism rituals in movies. We've seen even Islamic rituals in movies, but we have not seen a Buddhist angle, a Buddhist exorcism in films. So we thought, okay, we'll try a Buddhism angle. So because their rituals are different, it looks different on screen. So that is the reason for bringing the Buddhist angle. This artist who played, his name is Sering Dorji. He's from Tibet. He's already acted in a few Hollywood films, like a junior artist level kind of. And he's an extraordinary actor. And because he's a new face, but still he has such a big role, he has to hold the screen. I think he really did a great job.
And Priya ma'am, what is your experience with Tibetan actor in this particular movie? So in that rain situation, so please.
I had lots of fun with him. He cannot speak our language. We shot it in Tamil. And these guys, did you watch the film yesterday?
No, I watched this now trailer, so that's why I'm asking. And mainly your Insta reels, I watched some of the Tamilian girls, they are giving a comment like, Priya, உங்கள் கேரக்டர் வந்து நல்லா இருக்குது இந்த மூவி, அண்ட் இவர் ஆக்டிவிட்டி வந்து நல்லா இருக்காங்களா, அப்படி வந்து காமெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையும் உங்கள் இன்ஸ்டா ரீல்ஸை கம்மிடுது. அந்த பற்றி இங்கே என்ன சொல்ல போகிறீங்க? ஐ மீன் வாட் யூ வாண்ட் டு சே அபவுட் திஸ் பர்டிகுலர்லி?
Yeah, sure. So I'll first answer your first question about the Tibetan actor. So he has lots to say. Lot of the it's not where we speak a colloquial Tamil. That's not what he does. He has to speak a very conventional, proper Tamil. He doesn't speak the language. These guys give him pages and pages of dialogue. ADs train him. And when he comes to the set, he'll be very anxious and he'll lose his line. So I'll be like, okay, relax. Let's run through the lines. I'll sit. He'll just chew the language, and it's so much of fun to watch him speak the lines with prompting and everything. It was super fun with him, and they all make fun of him. Such a sweet, poor, innocent soul he is, and these guys made so much fun of him. But I think on screen he looked terrific. Don't you think? He looked absolutely great and fit the part in the film. And to answer your second question, it feels happy. We all work for recognition and to be validated as we are doing a good job. So when somebody says that, it means a world to me.
And coming to Telugu, you have done many beautiful characters in the Telugu film industry, like with Shobhan Garu and so choosing about this character particularly, and your costumes and your looks also very different. So how did you feel after director portrayed about your character in this movie and the costumes?
Whatever you see in this film, it's absolutely my director's vision. Whatever, be it the outfit or the way I react or the way I look, my hairdo, my makeup, everything. It was all his vision, and he wanted it, and he got it to the point, I guess. So credits to him.
One last
Done?
question.
Yeah, please.
Ajay garu, hi అండి. This is Varun from Cinema Zindagi.
Hi.
So first part కి second part కి తీసుకున్న precautions ఏంటి స్టోరీకి రైటింగ్ అప్పుడు?
See, as I told you, we had big. This film comes with a big expectation because first part is everybody liked. It is one of the most important horror films in Tamil now. So it comes with a big expectation.
Yeah.
While writing, what we wanted to make sure is it has to be to the point, very crisp. It has to be to the point, very crisp, and the moments that we wanted to connecting the first part and the second part, we really wanted them to work. So that we took really extra care in writing.
ఓకే, ప్రియ గారు. హాయ్ ప్రియ గారు. సో దూత చూసాక మీకు పెద్ద ఫ్యాన్ అయ్యా. ఈ డైరెక్ట్ తెలుగు ఫిల్మ్ ఎప్పుడు చేస్తారు?
Direct Telugu film. I have one coming up. I've done a film with Satyadeva, and we are looking at a release this year. And I'm working on another project. We haven't announced it yet, and I hope it will be a surprise for you.
ప్రియ గారు,
Sir.
ఇంత ప్రీవియస్ అడిగారు మా కొలీగ్ క్వశ్చన్, చాలా సాఫ్ట్గా ఉంటారంటే నవ్వుకుంటున్నారు మీరు. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ దాని గురించి ఏంటంటే, ఇటువంటి కథలు రాసేవాళ్ళు కానీ మైండ్ సెట్ చాలా డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటుంది. సెట్స్లో ఎవరితో మాట్లాడరు, చాలా రిజర్వ్డ్గా ఉంటారు. షార్ట్ చెప్పేటప్పుడు ఏదో ఆలోచిస్తూ ఉంటారు. అసలు అర్థమయ్యాడా ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ డైరెక్టర్ మీకు?
Okay, so now that we are here and we are having an interaction, do you think I am reserved? I'm asking you, do you think I am reserved?
సార్ రిజర్వ్.
He looks like he's reserved. I'm asking you. In the
మీ ప్రకారంగా తను రిజర్వ్డ్ అని మీరు అనుకుంటున్నారా అని అడుగుతున్నారు.
I look reserved, like a reserved type person.
నాట్ మ్యామ్, సార్.
No, I'm asking you. நான் உங்களுக்கு அப்படி தெரியறேனான்னு கேக்குறேன் நானு. Do I? No. I am the most reserved person in the set. Everybody else is a brat. I am the most silent, innocent person that you could possibly see in the set. Don't get deceived by this face.
I think Ajay garu has to confirm this. Priya garu is the most.
Admit to it.
Can't really admit.
See. Yeah. Okay. So chala undi.